10 seconds, like 10 seconds ago.
Careful the frag guys.
I don't know what happened. I was at 105% and then I went to 70. I don't know what's happening. Nice. I'll just try to add on his bug. Let's clear this flag. I will just hide it, I guess.
Okay, 1 star.
Star.
It's up to you. I mean, I think we popped everything, so might as well. I don't know.
Just wait to res maybe. Or res him.
Yeah, there's no kills from there. Yeah, enemy background.
Thanks, it's beautiful.
I just had one.
Okay,
Our next scenario was everything the debuffs.
bandage up if you can, guys. Bandage teammates, friends, bandage everyone.
This is insane.
This
This
is
dies.
this is not normal. Like, how can you die instantly like that?
I was 50% because he messed up the first time I got.
Did you spam heal yourself?
Yeah.
He doesn't have
At
enough
what point that
HP,
was?
and like he drops instantly at the last nuke.
I mean, NX is full mana. Maybe you do it one healer.
You have Soul Stone?
I mean, Bedtime has full heal gear. If we want to kill it, we could pay for the respec, I guess.
Maybe he can just heal me now. When he's full mana. I will have innervate for you, NX, after this phase.
Okay, second star.
I will do one.
Let's try and burst this first one down super quick when it comes. Yeah, and then move away, same place.
We don't even have to kill the first one. Just Nova it and run from it. They spawn anyway on that spot. We save like 2 HP.
I'm gonna bandage myself.
And X can live through it. Maybe he should try to get heal threat somehow.
I don't know, I healed him so.
Bandaging
Only
you,
wasn't
I think.
10%. Watch out.
Play behind star if you're ranged.
So,
Yeah, where healers are moving now.
I'm bandaging you, Anix.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much if we keep Ari alive, then we got it, you know.
It's not over yet, to be honest. Okay, can
If we
dodge
get
to
to second phase, maybe?
Banishing you, Enig.
Dodge to success.
Fear.
I'm gonna resist fear? No.
Careful.
And he's hitting in my back now.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
So we only
Uh,
Nova and then run. We only
sure.
Nova and then run. We broke it instantly.
Stunning. Banishing you, bit time.
Maybe you don't heal him.
You don't heal, so you drag some mana.
And you don't take aggro on me, it seems. Yeah, you
Careful,
should
get,
take-
don't get too close, guys. Okay, nice. Bandage up. Pots everything.
No.
Do you have Ank?
Ank, ank.
If you have Ank, you should Ank. He's getting some mana back. Poggers. Any bandage on me?
Yeah, I'm managing right now.
Any...
Let him come, let him come.
Nice, go guys, full pump, come on.
Bloodlust? If you have it. Ah, he's home, he cannot Bloodlust. If you have mana
When is
potion-
Innovate back?
Ah, that's 3 minutes.
Other
It-
side, Mole. Other
I
side,
just
Mole.
need to dodge to success.
Yeah, he has mana.
He has mana
Let's
potion.
go guys, go.
The 100 part is
Fight!
coming next.
Fire!
Mole, you see that?
Yeah.
I was like near his front leg, dude. Don't heal me, by the way, I have pot and healthstone.
We can own. Please resist. Oh, Fear Ward. Oh, yeah, Fear Ward. Pog.
I'm banishing you, Enig, to help you.
We're fucking doing this. I'm not dying. I cannot die. I cannot die. I'm invincible. Fucking invincible.
Good
Can't
job,
die.
guys.
Yes!
Oh my